Hi, my name is Djan, professional race car driver, 3 times Gazoo Racing champion, and 2 times Formula Drift Asia champion. Almost every Malaysian owns a car, and car maintenance issues have become a concern for every car owner. Vehicle maintenance can be a daunting task to keep track of. Difficult to remember, to schedule things like engine oil change and brake job, and so many other things going on in your life. Servicing and maintaining a vehicle is rarely a pleasant experience. Spending at least upwards of an hour at a workshop is nobody's idea of fun, especially if you have things to do and places to be. Don't forget, you also have the hassle of haggling for the best price. So now, you can say goodbye to all of that. AUTONEST, an all-in-one car services and maintenance solution provider. Help you keep track of your vehicle with regular maintenance reminders, service records, fuel price tracking, scheduled appointments done right with the AUTONEST app. It is designed to make car maintenance easy, convenient, affordable, and transparent. So download the app from Play Store and App Store, register yourself, be a member of AUTONEST. Easy and great convenience. If I have it, you should have it. Download the AUTONEST app today.